Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Unbox your Dell laptop and confirm the included 65W charger and power cable. Plug in the charger, press the power button, and wait for Windows 11 setup. Select region, keyboard layout, and connect to Wi-Fi with your network name. Sign in with a Microsoft account or create a local account if preferred. Enable Windows Hello facial recognition or fingerprint if your Dell model includes a sensor. Set privacy choices. Disable data collection options you do not want enabled. Finish setup and install Dell support, assist to get drivers and firmware updates. Use the centered start menu to access apps, settings, and pinned items quickly. Open settings from the start menu to adjust display, Bluetooth, and network options. Use snap layouts to arrange windows and position up to 4 apps in a grid. Press Win key plus Tab to manage virtual desktops and switch between workspaces. Open File Explorer to browse files, and right-click files to access compress and properties options. Learn 3-finger touchpad gestures to switch apps and access task view efficiently. Pin frequent apps to the taskbar for single-click access. Run Windows Update and Dell support, assist to install drivers and security patches regularly. Check for BIOS and firmware updates in support assist before heavy system changes. Enable BitLocker encryption or use OneDrive backup to protect important files automatically. Create a restore point before installing major apps or drivers to simplify recovery. Turn on Battery Saver when below 20% to extend battery runtime. Use Storage Sense to remove temporary files and free space when under 10%. Install reputable antivirus and set automatic scans at least once every 7 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.